Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix we had a server error on Reddit. All right, so let's begin with the video. This usually happens when Reddit servers are down, overloaded, or facing technical issues. Common signs include messages like service unavailable, posts or comments not loading, or images failing to appear. To check if Reddit is actually down, you can open your browser and go to redditstatus.com. If it shows a major or partial outage, then the issue is on Reddit's side, and you'll likely just need to wait until it's resolved. If the problem isn't a widespread outage, there are a few things you can try. Start by refreshing the page or restarting the app, as sometimes the issue is temporary. You can also switch your internet connection, such as moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Another option is to try accessing Reddit in incognito mode or using a different browser, since cached data or extensions can sometimes cause problems. If the issue continues, you can try using third-party Reddit apps like Boost, Sync, or Apollo, which may still load content even when the main app is having issues. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot the problem or at least find a workaround until Reddit servers are fully back to normal. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix we had a server error on Reddit. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.